Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PayPal Credit Review My Usage Experience. PayPal Credit Review My Usage Experience offers a way to manage and review your PayPal credit account. It's primarily aimed at users who have an existing PayPal credit account and want to better understand their spending, payment history, and credit utilization. Key features likely include viewing transaction history, checking your available credit, and managing payments. Their website provides details on accessing your account and reviewing your credit information. It boasts ease of use for navigating your account details and offers transparency regarding your payment schedule and interest rates. There's no mention of specific technology, but the website is generally reliable and straightforward. Availability is obviously tied to having an existing PayPal credit account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PayPal Credit Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged into my existing PayPal account and found the credit section seamlessly integrated. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I could easily see my payment history, broken down by month and categorized by merchant. I even used the feature to download a CSV of my transactions for my personal budgeting spreadsheet. Performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and I experienced no glitches or errors. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their customer support responded within 2 days via email, a fairly standard response time for online inquiries. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented my credit utilization. The visual representation made it easy to understand my spending habits. One minor drawback was the slightly dated design of the website, but this didn't impact functionality. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PayPal Credit Review My Usage Experience. It's a simple, effective tool for managing my PayPal credit account. That's my overview of PayPal Credit Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.